Hi everyone, I am Bhuvaneshwari, Senior Dietitian from Palito NutriCare. In this video, we will discuss some interesting information about fructose, a type of sugar. Is it good or bad? Fructose is the natural sugar present in fruits, honey and certain vegetables. Everyone is aware that whole fruits and vegetables are healthy, and the mantra of healthy living is eat more fruits and vegetables. Hence, it is easy to assume that fructose is healthy, but we need to be careful with this assumption. Glucose and fructose are the most abundant types of sugar in our diet. There are various sources of fructose that we consume, while whole fruits and vegetables are one important natural source. We should become aware that every spoon of added table sugar contains 50% of glucose and 50% of fructose. But the most dangerous source of fructose is something called high fructose corn syrup. High fructose corn syrup, that is HFCS, is a manufactured sweetener made from cornstarch. In the later part of the last century, many manufacturers of processed food, especially bakery products and soft drinks, rapidly began choosing HFCS to sweeten their product because of its low cost. Most of us don't even know how much of this fructose we consume on a daily basis. Excess fructose is very harmful for us. In fact, the major harm of added sugar is attributed to fructose. Let us understand this better. The human body handles glucose and fructose in different ways. Virtually every cell in the body can break down glucose for energy, but fructose is metabolized primarily in the liver by phosphorylation. This hepatic metabolism uses fructose, a carbohydrate, to create fat. This process is called lipogenesis. Give the liver enough fructose and a tiny fat droplets begin to accumulate in liver cells. This buildup is called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease because it looks just like what happens in the livers of people who drink too much of alcohol. Doesn't ring a bell? Yes. Excess fructose consumption is going to cause all the damages associated with excess consumption of alcohol. The fatty liver condition spikes cholesterol and triglyceride, which generates tremendous amount of visceral fat, the fat that erodes the gut and internal organs, which is commonly referred as belly fat. In fact, various researchers have established that this fatty liver is the main culprit in developing insulin resistance, which leads to diabetes. So, coming back to where we started, we said fruits and vegetables contains fructose. So, are they unhealthy? Absolutely no. By eating whole fruits and vegetables, we cannot consume excess fructose. The primary reason is whole fruits and vegetables are filled with fiber and are stained, and it is impossible to overeat. Also, the fiber ensures that the fructose hits the liver very slowly and are easily metabolized. However, when we take them in the form of fruit juices, we lose a lot of these benefits of fiber and can overeat, which can be harmful. But the biggest culprit of excess fructose is our consumption of added sugar, especially in carbonated beverages, sodas, packed foods, especially bakery products. In this video, we discussed how excess fructose leads to fatty liver and in turn leads to belly fat. Thus, fructose is the most dangerous sugar for belly. At Palito NutriCare, we offer diet plans which are very low in fructose. We suggest only 4 fruits which are low in fructose content. By reducing the amount of fructose, we help prevent our clients from falling all the ill effects mentioned above. Join our 100 days diet monitoring today and modify your eating habits and lead a healthy life. Thank you.